Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming Windows is up to date and you are signed into the Microsoft Store with your Microsoft account. Once done, plug the laptop into power and switch to a stable Wi-Fi or Ethernet connection to prevent interruptions. Make sure resource-heavy apps are closed so updates install faster. Now open the Microsoft Store from the Start menu and sign in if prompted. This ensures the store can check for app updates and authenticate your purchases and licenses. You now go to Library in the Microsoft Store and tap Get Updates to begin scanning. This triggers the store to compare installed app versions versus the catalog. If many updates appear, choose Update All to batch them, or update critical apps first by selecting them individually. While updates download and install, watch the progress bars and make sure you remain connected. If an app requests a restart to finish installation, allow it. This often finalizes file replacements and service restart. To finish, open updated apps to verify functionality and check version details in the store under Library. This confirms successful updates. If you encounter errors like download failures or stuck updates, run the Windows Store Apps Troubleshooter and clear the store cache using WS Reset. EXE to force a fresh catalog fetch. Should issues persist, reset or reinstall the problematic app from Settings Apps, and make sure Windows itself has no pending updates. That often resolves compatibility problems.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.